All right. So, this is our second video in the series on servers. So, we're going to be doing today is just a quick one. We're going to be changing the server name and setting the static IP. So, first, we're going to go to VirtualBox and look at the server that we were working with and hit start. And then we're going to allow it to start up. I saved the state from last time just for simplicity. Alrighty then. So, there are a couple of things you can see here, the local server, how to add roles and features. Once you have roles installed here, these will turn red and have numbers next to them whenever you have issues. And lastly, your tools up here. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to local server. You see up at the top computer name. I've already changed mine, but what you'll do is you'll click it. It'll bring you to this menu. You'll click change, and then you type whatever you would like the name of your server to be, and then click OK. Once you click OK, it'll reboot, and then we will go down to the network, open and internet settings, select Ethernet, and change adapter options. You will click your Ethernet connection, right click in properties. You then go to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP 4, and click properties. I've already set mine, but there's another video in our series of videos that says how to set static IP. So if you don't know how to do that, you can go back and watch that video. But once this is configured, you'll click validate upon exit and click OK. It'll go through and make sure that everything is copacetic, and then you should be good to go on the IP address. You also want to go in, and personally for me, because I don't want to have to touch the machine that the virtual machine is on every single time I use it, I would go to remote desktop and allow remote connections. Click OK. And then you have the option to require network level authentication, but that requires a lot of configuration. So while we're still setting it up and it doesn't have anything compromising on it, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. So now that is set up, and that's basically it. You'd also want to go in and check Windows Update, make sure that you don't have any updates, and obviously we do. So we're going to run through those really quick, get those installed. All right, so we now have all these are pending restart, so we'll go ahead and restart our server. And it'll go through the process of shutting down all the services and roles, working on updates, getting everything configured correctly. And upon boot up, all right, and now it brings everything back up, and we're back at our login screen. Input, Control Alt Delete. Type our password. And that's basically it. When it loads in, it'll bring Server Manager back up. But as far as this video, that's as far as we're going to go. Next time we'll work on installing Active Directory, and if we have time, we'll go into DNS and DHCP. Um, so I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time.